Hello, my friends! Will a $1,400 stimulus payment be sent out to all seniors next month? And is Congress passing a $200 monthly benefit increase for Social Security recipients? Friends, I know that many of you are wondering what financial relief is being provided to seniors and Social Security beneficiaries right now. So in today's video, I will be going over what bills have been passed so far. Remember, friends, that I'm here every day to share with you everything that you need to know about the fourth stimulus checks and President Biden's Build Back Better bill. I am 100% committed to being your daily advocate for everyone, including all seniors, Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries.
With Justice Breyer's retirement from the United States Supreme Court and my constitutional responsibility to replace that justice, I've sought a candidate with the strongest credentials, record, character, and dedication to the rule of law. That's why I'm excited to nominate one of the nation's brightest legal minds, Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson, to be our next Supreme Court Justice. Raised by public school teachers, she was a standout student who became a clerk for Justice Breyer, the same justice that she will be replacing when confirmed.
Justice Breyer gave me the chance to work for him as a law clerk and thereby bear witness to the workings of his brilliant legal mind.
Judge Jackson has been confirmed by the United States Senate 3 times in her career and garnered support from both sides of the aisle each time.
My praise for Ketanji's intellect, for her character, for her integrity, it's unequivocal.
What's remarkable is the background she brings to the bench. Judge Jackson has deep experience across the legal system. She served as a federal public defender, a top lawyer in private practice, a member of the U.S. Sentencing Commission, and a federal judge. She's a history maker, the first black woman ever to be nominated to the Supreme Court, an immensely qualified judge who's going to help make our courts stronger and more reflective of our country.
So please, friends, share this video on social media with your friends and family. Also, if you would like to enter this Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, do stay tuned until the end of this video. There is a looming crisis affecting America's senior citizens, and if not addressed, according to a new study, researchers predict the number of homeless in New York City will be more than double, from 2,600 to 6,300. According to a new study, researchers predict the number of homeless seniors in New York City will more than double, from 2,600 to 6,300 by the year 2030. In the city of Boston, the figure is projected to jump from 570 to 1,560 over the next decade. The number of homeless seniors in Los Angeles rose 22% in 2018, leaving 48 seniors on the streets. Experts predict that number could rise to 30,000. Sadly, friends, a full and comfortable retirement is no longer realistic for millions of senior citizens and veterans. Many now work well beyond retirement age just to make ends meet. There are also health and aging issues that make it difficult for seniors to obtain jobs. In addition to that, many companies shy away from older employees. Financial stress adds to the challenges that many seniors now face. As this crisis is still ongoing, it is so clear that Congress needs to take action for the American people, especially senior citizens. The Senior Citizens League is now fundraising to support its efforts to lobby Congress to support additional stimulus checks of $1,400 targeted to Social Security recipients amid this ongoing crisis. The federal government previously sent out $1,200 direct payments to most Americans back in March 2020. Then in December of 2020, Congress approved an additional $600 for most Americans. After President Biden took office, Democrats pushed through a stimulus check of $1,400 for most Americans. As inflation has surged and the fallout from this crisis persists till this day, the Senior Citizens League is urging members of Congress to approve another stimulus check targeted to elderly Americans. According to the organization's chairman, he stated, "This stimulus check is a more immediate benefit that seniors need now. The crisis, inflation, job loss. These are realities in all our lives, and this emergency check could be a lifeline to a lot of people." The organization's December newsletter explained that tens of thousands of people have already signed a petition calling on many lawmakers to approve new $1,400 stimulus checks for senior citizens. The Senior Citizens League goes on to explain that it is advocating for stimulus payments to Social Security recipients because, like an advance refundable tax credit, stimulus payments are not counted as income. So a $1,400 stimulus check would not increase taxable income, but could help offset higher taxes. So friends, do you think that stimulus checks should go out to seniors immediately? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is buffalo. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do verify that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. The plan was put forward by Senator Elizabeth Warren, Chuck Schumer, and Ron Wyden. The extra income would apply to all Social Security, veterans, and supplemental security income or SSI beneficiaries. This bonus money would continue through the crisis, adding up to an extra $4,000 over the next 2 years. Right now, Democratic senators have proposed giving Social Security beneficiaries an extra $200 per month during this crisis and the economic devastation it is causing. Increasing Social Security benefits is the quickest way to get money out the door during an economic crisis. The additional money would help almost 64 million Americans who receive Social Security, many of whom are vulnerable because they are older and or disabled. Having this extra money in their Social Security checks can help those individuals stave off extra health care expenses that they may face, or even help offset added cost of hiring help with grocery shopping. Friends, the good news today is that President Biden has already endorsed the senator's proposal. This means that many seniors could see a benefit increase very soon. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Please do me a huge favor and share this video on social media and with your friends and family. If they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.